how's it going? Yeah, got the pick up here about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, everything seems to be pretty sound, don't I? There seems to be no hiccups. Yeah. No, that's dead on. Well, what's the matter with you? Yeah, no, I heard that as well, He was on the phone to me there for 5 minutes ago and he told me what he did to him. Not impressed, not impressed. Listen, I'm going to have to go, right? I'm pushing on here. But, I'll deal with him, right? No, let him go to me. I'll deal with him. Yeah. No, I don't know what the story was of him. But listen. Yeah. Okay. Okay then. Okay, bye. My name is Jonathan French and I'm from County Donegal, Ireland.